and the remarkable truth of reality, the truth of existence, is felt through experience. We can feel the entire universe in a water drop. The experience that comes without a word. To find the true essence of anything, to truly observe reality, we must enter pure presence without thought and go into the true essence of something, like a flower. So say you have a flower or anything in front of you right now, and you're observing it. You can realize that light is hitting it from the sun or some other source, and it's bouncing off and it's coming to you, but then there's a connection. You're projecting consciousness out, so to speak, meaning you and the flower are becoming one. When you observe the flower, you are the universe observing itself and realizing it is the universe, you are the universe, and therefore it's a two-way connection manifested by light, and it's an interaction. And that all things in the universe, you can imagine the little molecules going on inside whatever's around you, table, in your body, computer, all the little molecules interacting is this manifestation of a conscious experience. And so you can become the flower. Now let that mean whatever it means to you. Let it evoke. But it means that you enter the consciousness of the flower. You realize you are the flower, not as a thought, because thoughts block the true essence of what the flower actually is. And what it actually is without words. It's without a name. And that the thoughts actually block your perception of true reality. So giving it a name, like a flower or a table, is our three-dimensional Newtonian brain trying to put boundaries around something and say it is this, when really it is so many other things. It's pure consciousness. It's an extension of you. It's a formation of the universe. And so you can transcend that and enter a state of pure perception. And what's beautiful about pure perception is that your experience is the consciousness interaction, where you become the object and realize you are the universe. And when you remove thoughts and become the pure observer, you can say, what are you? You can go into that realization of pure perception and reach the state of pure enlightenment called Satori, the sudden realization where you start to giggle and realize all of the things that you think are so absurd, and that behind that is this magical state, this magical place where you become the water drop. And you realize that the truth of existence is contained in the water drop. So then you hold your finger out and you find that moment of connection. Yeah, there it is. I love you.